Okay, so aspirants, let's start solving some simple problems on coding and decoding. We will start solving these using the tricks that we learned in the previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video first and then come back to solve these problems. Okay, let me read this one for you. If ZEBRA zebra can be written as 265281, how can elephant ELEPHANT be written as? Okay, so if zebra is written as this code, how can we write elephant in the same code? Okay, so this answer, it's very simple. Yen easy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗಲೇ what we learned, each alphabet has its particular position. So directly they've just given the position. Let us just cross check. Okay, Z. Okay, Z is given what? 26. We know that. Next, E. E is given as 5. Next, what do we have? We have B. B, 2. And then R. R, 18. Okay, then A. A is given as 1. Okay, we remember all those numbers. Yav alphabet ke yav position ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So based on that, zebra is coded as this number. So in the same language, how can we code elephant? Okay, what is again E? Okay, we had learned that ijotially E gets the number. What does E get? E gets the number 5. Next, L. We had learned that K, L. Okay, K gets 11, King's 11, and then next L, K, L, L has 12. Okay, so E, L, 5, 12. Which option can you see 5, 12? Here you have 5, 11, 5, 10, 5, 12, 5, 13. So easily, next options, instead of, looking at all the other alphabets, easily you can just take option C as the correct. Okay, but still if you have any doubt, you can just cross check. Okay, E, okay, E gets 5, E, L, L gets 12, again E gets 5, E, L, E, P. P, how did we remember? P for Prince. Okay, Prince gets what number? 16. Then H. H we could write as 8. Okay, so H gets number 8. And then we have A. N, 14, T, 20. So, either is easy agi. After remembering those tricks, we can solve this problem in a very simpler manner. So, aspirants, next problem we have, in a certain code, BAT bat is equal to 23, RED red is equal to 27. Then, how will you code CAR car? So, we have learned the position of alphabets. Yav alphabet ge yav number anta gottagide. We'll start solving. BAT bat. BAT bat. What is the value of B? B position 2, A 1, T ge 20. If you add up all this, 20 plus 3, 23. Yes or no? So, ide method alli aur madidare. Next, red ondsala cross check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. R, E, D, red. R, Raja, 18 years, that 18. E, 5, D, 4. Okay, 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. Red is 27. Next, same way we have to find for car. C, A, R, car. Okay, C, 3, A, 1, R again, 18. Here also we know R we've already studied. Okay, start adding that. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, you got the answer as 22. What is your 19, 20, 21, 22? So your correct option is option D, 22. So next question we have, in a certain code, D is coded as 16, B is coded as 4, and T is coded as 400. How will H be coded in the same language? Okay, idu previous year question, SSC CGL exam alli last year keliro question. Okay, options ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 8, 64, 25, 36. Okay, ಯಾವ way ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದು? Okay, in a certain code, D is coded as 16. Okay, what is the number for D? We know D number 4. Okay, 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 16 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದು? 4 square. 4 4s are 16. Right. Next ನೋಡೋಣ. B is coded as 4. Okay, what is the number for B? 2. 2 square, 2 2s are 4. T is coded as 400. T number we know 20. 20 to square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it's 400. So, ಈ previous year question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ follow ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? They have taken the squares of the particular number. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 4s are, 2 2s are, and then 20 into 2. Okay. In the same language, how will H be coded? Okay. H, what is the number for H? We know we can make it as 8 and right. Okay. 8 square, 8 8s are 64. 64, where is the option? 8 and then 64. So your correct option is option 64. Easy agi, if you know what formula is being applied, heg madidare, then you can easily solve any problems based on this method. Now aspirants, I have one question for you. In a certain code, C is coded as 9, I is coded as 27 and O is coded as 45. How will Y be coded in the same language? Option A 25, option B 50, option C 75, option D 100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ನೌ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, anything if you have, please contact and ask the doubts in the same comment section. Thank you.